How to redeem Dragon City codes. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your unique codes on Dragon City. But first things first is you won't be able to find a redemption option of the codes if you're inside the game. So what you want to do is just to head straight into exit to your home screen from your phone and then use up your preferred web browser. But on this video, let's just use Google Chrome. Now from your web browser, just simply type in Dragon City redeem codes. So it is usually located at the very first result that will redirect you into Dragon City redeem product codes and vouchers. Just simply tap on that, and this is where is the actual code redemption. Now, and below the gift code, which is going to be the block box right here, just simply input your code here and then make sure that it is followed based on the unique code that you have. If it's going to be all caps, then you just need to input it as all caps as well. Now choose on login and redeem. Log in to the same account that you use on the game so that the balance will reflect on your game. And that is how you redeem codes on Dragon City.